Alright, this job is starting to remind me of Pink Floyd The Wall. I just watched it last week too, which is interesting. And after cutting and setting everything, I'm seeing stars. Like these little stars right there, all over the place. Let that set up overnight and grout it tomorrow. Alright, the hardest part's done. And I'll just run on these walls tomorrow. That'll be a little difficult, not too bad though. And this wall, I just found the studs and put some good screws in there, made sure that's solid. And just clean up and start again tomorrow.